name is Dr. Nandini Seth. I am an associate professor and associate director at Masters Union, and I was one of the founding members. Before this, I used to work in AI algorithms. My PhD was from IIM Bangalore, and then I did a secondary fellowship at ISB Hyderabad. So I think AI has been helping us in three ways particularly. I think first is efficiency. Students are becoming more efficient with their learning, faculties are becoming more efficient with their execution. I think people are able to reach mastery faster. They are able to, if something would take me 1 hour earlier, it now probably takes me 20 minutes because, I'm able to use some of the tools to elaborate. So that's number one. I think number two is there's a lot more depth that has come into the classrooms because now you're able to manipulate situations, create murky setups, you're able to create real life like scenarios using AI. So I think that is really, really helpful. So that's of course again leading to better education outcomes. And third is I think there's come a lot of transferability of skills. So what somebody is learning in, let's say, a marketing classroom, they are able to apply to strategy because they're able to utilize AI to think through that problem statement. I think that's where most of the value is coming in. I would like to say first would be resilience. I think many global leaders in tech have already said that resilience is going to be a skill for the future, and those will be the employees that last. So I think that is first, which is resilience. I think second will be problem solving at any stage, starting K-12 to undergrad to postgraduate level. The better we are at teaching problem solving, I think the better will be the career or employability outcomes for the students. It was a lovely event. I got to meet so many people, especially given that I work, with mostly higher education, with undergrad and postgrad folks. I think what was very interesting for me to learn was how schools have been incorporating a lot of technology, how schools are functioning right now, how much it has changed since the last time I was in a school. So I think it was great to interact with education visionaries who could share their thoughts and their opinions on everything. So a great experience for me.